I'm pushing this skate course this week, no matter what.
Yeah. No. They wait on that, yeah?
No matter what.
Yeah.
And I can just make it better as I go.
Oh.
All right. That was my father, by the way. He's the sweetest. We are going to push the skate course out this week. I've been like bogged in by insecurity. I've been bogged down by perfectionism, and I just haven't felt good enough to create since, I haven't felt really good enough to create since losing my brother. And this is the first time where I'm like, you know what? I can't do this anymore. I can't do this. So perfectionism be damned. I'm pushing the course today. I'm in love with the iterative process anyway. Just give me feedback and I'll make it better. I'd rather do that than I've recorded and re-recorded this course like 3 or 4 times. It's been insane, the amount of hack jawing game playing I've been doing with myself about this. But partially it's because I just haven't felt creative. I haven't felt in the mood to create. And you know, I recorded this course at a completely different time in my life, and then I tried to come back to it and I was just like, wow, I just felt so incredibly different. And then I got hung up by perfectionism, like, oh, it has to be perfect, you know, this is what's expected of me. And it's like, you know what, I'm gonna do the best that I can. And there's always going to be room for improvement. So if there's something that you find in this course that can be improved, put me on, put your girl on, help your fellow skaters out. I will make it better. If something could be more clear, just let me know. I'm 100% open to feedback, but I just can't keep beating myself over the head with imaginary feedback. I need like to just put this shit out here and do the real thing. So the course is dropping this week. And if you're watching this, that means that I actually did what the hell I said I was going to do. And I didn't make any excuses, and I did it. We're gonna film the last few videos for this course. I'm not filming this shit again. This is the last go round of filming, and then we're just dropping this shit. We're dropping it, and you guys are gonna help me make it better because we have a goal to get as many people roller skating as possible, okay? This is a collective goal now. We are a community, which means that we need to take care of our community members. And if you are referring your friends a skate course that's slaw, why would you do that to your friends, okay? All right, okay? I raise you, you raise me. Let's do this together, okay? Let's do it together, because trying to do it myself, like I'm just some lone genius in a lab tinkering away like, eureka, it's not gonna happen, okay? And I'm tired. Your girl's tired, okay? This is my tired face. We're a little tired. The perfectionism has gotten old, so let's set up a new pair of skates.